Today we're diving into the world of backups and reviewing a software tool that promises to make your backups super simple and effective, MiniTool ShadowMaker. So let's get to it. Whether you've got important documents, priceless photos, or that giant collection of memes you can't afford to lose, backups are essential. So in this video, we'll guide you through the installation, show you how to use its key features, and I'll share my thoughts about whether MiniTool ShadowMaker is really worth your time. So, what is MiniTool ShadowMaker? In simple terms, it's a backup and recovery tool designed to protect your data and keep your system safe. Whether you want to create a full system image, schedule backups, or clone your hard drive, this software has you covered. MiniTool ShadowMaker comes in both free and paid versions. The free version offers plenty of functionality, including system and file backups, disk cloning, and even basic recovery options. If you want advanced features like encryption or incremental backups, the Pro version is the way to go. Installing MiniTool ShadowMaker is a breeze. Here's how to get started. Head over to the download link we've put in the show notes to grab ShadowMaker for free, or visit MiniTool's website to download. Next, let's click the installer file to start installation. Installation is quick, and you're ready to start backing up your precious data in no time. Now, let's open ShadowMaker. The interface is clean and user-friendly, so you won't feel too overwhelmed to start. Let's start with a system backup. This is perfect if you want to create a restore point for your entire system. Open MiniTool ShadowMaker and go to the Backup tab. By default, it selects your system disk as the source. You can choose a different drive if needed. Select a destination for the backup. This could be an external drive, network storage, or another internal drive. Click Backup Now, and ShadowMaker will start creating a system image. It's that easy, and you can monitor the progress right from the interface. Once it's done, your system is fully backed up and ready to restore if anything goes wrong. If we click on the backup, it will give us a few other options to manipulate the backups. Next up, let's talk about scheduled backups, because let's be honest, most of us aren't going to remember to back up manually every week, so automating them is the way to go. Scheduled backups are a game changer. Set it and forget it, and your data stays safe automatically. Do you need to upgrade to a new drive? Well, MiniTool ShadowMaker's disk clone feature makes it super simple. Go to the Tools tab and select Clone Disk. Choose the source disk, the one you want to copy, and the target disk, your new drive. Click OK, and ShadowMaker will create an exact replica of your old drive. Disk cloning is great for upgrades or creating a fail-safe backup. Just plug in the new drive and you're good to go. Okay, now that we've seen how it works, let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: user-friendly interface. MiniTool ShadowMaker is intuitive and easy to navigate even for beginners. Comprehensive features. From backups to cloning and scheduled backups, it covers all the essentials. There's a free version available. This version offers plenty of functionality without forcing you to upgrade. Reliability. The backups and clones are super fast and error-free. Cons: limited free features. The free version doesn't include some advanced options, like incremental backups or encryption. No cloud integration. You'll need to manually configure cloud backups. as it doesn't currently have built-in support for services like Google Drive or Dropbox. Overall, MiniTool ShadowMaker is a solid choice for anyone who wants a reliable, easy-to-use backup tool. Whether you're a casual user or a support tech, it's worth checking out. I hope you enjoyed this quick review on MiniTool's backup software tool ShadowMaker. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Otherwise, we'll see you next time. Bye-bye, everybody.